Okay, hello guys, how are you? Hope so you are fine. So today our topic is how to upload custom fonts in Elementor. So we get it on topic. So this is my channel. Just simply search on YouTube WordPress with Moon. You get all tutorials. Just subscribe it if you don't subscribe it. So we get into topic. So this is WordPress is on local side. Okay. I just firstly install. So if you don't know where you get install local uh, just go to my just search WordPress with Moon, and you get that tutorial. You just watch that, and I can make basics concepts on WordPress and basic concepts of Elementor. I will recommend you to get go with local WP first if you don't know the best experience on WordPress. So I can give the link of description of best hosting, best theme, and best plugins. Like hope so we can. So first, our first step is uh, how where you can upload Elementor after installation of Elementor Pro. You can get the copy from internet easily out if you want use a GPL or whatever. You just google it, and you simply search that. Okay, you get the copy. So we can upload custom fonts. So first, today we upload that font. Okay, Bibas new. I can simply practical go through. That's the Bibas new. Okay, just give the name and publish. Okay, sorry, we upload it a TTF file. Okay, wait, we I can show you an extract. Wait, please. Okay, that the file we want. Okay, so you can upload that file and select TTF and publish. uh, okay, so the second thing, this font is not in Elementor. Okay, so the second thing, we want simply create page. I want to show you a live where you get that thing. So add it with Elementor. So you can simply drag something and go to style, typography, BEP pass. Okay, that's found. Okay, that's not in Elementor by default. Okay, I will show you. If I delete that, wait, uh wait please. If I delete that, okay, go to typography, search bbas. There is no found. Okay, this is found from Google. You can just simply Google search on Google of every font, whatever. This is not in Elementor. Hope so you like my tutorial. Kindly subscribe my channel. I give the link in description of Elementor as well as Astra team. So if you don't know where you get custom Elementor, you just go to the link in the description. You can, and this is affiliate link. I get a little bit commission in the end if you buy from. It's really helpful from me. Hope so you like my video. Thank you. Bye.